We are on the road. So now, Old Harbor Road. We're going to the gym. We're building muscles because you see the size of our deliveries every day. We need the muscles. All right. Now this customer is a muscle-bound hunk. I'm told by a female friend. So we're gonna find out if him really muscle-bound. Maybe we can employ him to carry some of the big boxes for us. All right. Up the steps. Of course, you know that we're fit already. You see how fast we're clearing the steps. Even though, yeah. All right. I'm getting a little winded, but to worry, I have arrived. Yeah, so we're in the gym. Yeah. Big muscles. This is what we need to get this job done. All right. It's a beautiful day. All right, so we're trying to find Mr. Davis. I understand he's around this side.